State senators passed a bill that would limit cell phone use by students in school.
Now, it's something Governor Mike DeWine advocated for earlier this month in his State of the State address, and now it is one step away from heading to his desk to become law.
10 TV's political reporter Doug Petcash joins us live in studio now with a look at what this policy actually does.
Well, Yolanda and Angela, this policy was just added to an unrelated House bill this week in a Senate committee. Then the Senate passed it yesterday. This amendment would require public schools to create a policy limiting phone use as much as possible during school hours. It also requires the Ohio Department of Education and Workforce to create a model policy for schools to adopt if they don't want to make their own. However, there are exceptions. For example, if the phone is being used as a learning tool or to monitor a student's health.
The legislation does not require districts to adopt a ban on all student cell phone use, though that is an option if the school district chooses to do so. It requires districts' cell phone policy to emphasize minimal use and least amount of distraction caused by cell phones during school hours. Districts that have a policy in place meeting these expectations need not to adopt a new policy.
Now, because of this amendment to House Bill 250, it now has to pass the House again before heading to the governor's desk. And if it's ultimately approved, the law would take effect January 1st of 2025. Angela.